dirty double lashed eye and a natural looking cheek and the lips. We will do this side together. We will start with a product by Illamasqua. It is a cream blusher in an iridescent pale pink color. We are going to actually place over whole lid up to brow bone. Now we're going to use an iridescent white color, this color here with a nice shimmer. And you can just place on finger and go over brow bone. You can use a mini bone brush, like so, and just place in inner corner eye to give a highlight. Next, use an angled brush like this, and we are going to use a black color with a slate silver shimmer and just make a V shape in corner of eye, like so, and bring slightly inwards. Next, we are going to use a blending brush and a pale grey color, this color here, and we are going to place in crease of eye and blend together with the black. Leave the middle of the lid free and just bring some more of pale grey into inner corner of eye. Use the same iridescent white color and place in the middle and blend. Also blend upwards so there is a graduation of colors. Next, we are going to use a liner brush and a matte black color, and we are going to line the upper lash line. It is quite a thick line. Take a black kohl pencil, this is by Jane Iredale, a black color, and line the lower waterline. And next we are going to also line the lower lash line with the pencil. Do not worry if it looks a little bit messy, it is supposed to. Take an eyeshadow brush and use this color here and just place underneath the black just to bring down the darkness so it looks smudgy. This is the bottom lash we are going to use. It is quite spacey but quite a long lash. It is actually a top lash but we are going to use as a bottom lash. So what you do is the lash comes like this, we are going to turn it around so that it comes outwards, and we are going to place a glue and stick below eye. There we are. Now we want to also do a top lash. For this I'm going to use quite a thick, starry kind of lash. It's quite long as well. And we put some more glue. And we stick on upper lash line. And there we are. For cheeks I'm going to use a rusty tan orange color. And just place below cheekbone and then gradually join above in downward strokes, along and down. It's very glossy lip, so we are going to just draw a lip line in a neutral color. This is a color called Buff by 17. And we are going to fill in using a MAC color. This is Dazzle Glass in color Smile. It is a peachy, glittery color, but very neutral. This is a cute, young and alluring look to suit every face. And good luck!